Hello, how you doing? Look, we're gonna make this really simple, dry, fried, spicy potato. Vegetarian, of course, vegan, Indian, spicy, easy, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 cups of potatoes here, peeled them, I've boiled them a little bit. You can do this with raw potatoes if you want, just takes a bit longer. And you can see I've cut them into nice little kind of sizes like that. Now, they're still very hard. They've just given them a little kind of blast. 1 cup of onion chopped. Today I'm just using garlic. I'm not using ginger garlic. So we've got a tablespoon of just garlic, a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, fresh chili to taste, entirely up to you. And then a teaspoon each. We've got chili powder, turmeric, cumin and coriander. Let's get moving. There's a couple of other bits to go in. So in my pan I've got some oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a coconut oil, but you can use something different if you want. We're going to first drop in the teaspoon of black mustard seeds and the teaspoon of the cumin seeds. So just a few seconds. The heat's on quite high, just put that on. So just for a few seconds let them do their thing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our potatoes. So yeah, I can't squeeze that, I can't crush that with my hand, you know, it's still kind of fairly firm. We're going to fry these around for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to go with that 1 cup of onion that I've cut quite small, and we'll add salt to taste. Again, 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up we're going to add in our fresh chili, and I'm going to just be adding garlic today. If you wanted to use ginger as well, like garlic ginger paste. 2 more minutes. Nice vibrant heat, stirring all the time. Okay. Really delicious. Next up we're going to get our powders in. Now I'm using the separate powders. If you want you could just use a curry powder. I think this is better. Teaspoon each. Cumin, coriander, chili powder and turmeric. 60 seconds. Just keep it moving. Don't stop now. We don't want to burn the spices. They will become very bitter if that happens. Now we're going to add a little bit of water, like 100 ml. Keep that going and let it kind of evaporate out. It's just going to help the powders and the potatoes cook just a little bit. I'm going to go for 2 more minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Really simple, delicious potatoes there. A little bit of cilantro, coriander, whatever you call that. Give that a mix, job done, easy peasy. Okay, there you go. That was really simple to make, wasn't it? Now, you can eat that with some rice if you want. I actually prefer that to eat that with some like paratha or roti or something, kind of bread. I get in there, squeeze that, eat it. It's delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook. $3.99, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot, lots of love.